fans, and welcome back to a new video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Got 3 trains here for you today that we caught over the last couple days on a trip we took from Nashville up to Cincinnati and back. Caught all 3 of these in a small section of the LCL Subdivision between Worthville, Kentucky and Sparta, Kentucky. Caught this one on Tuesday on our way up to Cincinnati. This is L411. A local train that goes from that Worthville yard up to Cincinnati and back, catching it here just as it's coming back into the yard. So we got this one Tuesday, and then the next 2 we're going to see will be on Wednesday on our return trip, and I'll be back in just a second to talk a little more about those. Alright, here we are back with the second train. Again, this one was on Wednesday on the return trip from Cincinnati. This is M20903, a auto rack train that makes its way south from Detroit, Michigan down to Louisville, and then generally carries on most of the cars from Louisville down through Nashville and on into Birmingham. I believe it switches numbers to M211 on its run from Louisville down, but would need to confirm that. Little note about the area that we're in here. Again, this one is in Sparta, Kentucky. The one that we had caught the day before was in Worthville, right by the yard, and the next one will be right by Worthville again. We found a pretty interesting way to get between the 2 towns. We dropped down the first day. We dropped down at the Carrollton exit, which I believe was exit 44. Came down into Worthville and then got on 467, Kentucky State Highway, and took that across all the way to Sparta. And it follows the train tracks almost the entire way there. Most of the road, you're within eyesight of the train tracks. And then on the day that we caught this one on Wednesday, we got back off at Sparta at exit 57 there by Kentucky Speedway. Followed 467 back to the west, back to the Carrollton exit, and got back on the interstate there. And last train up, we got this one is M57603. Again, we caught it coming out of the Worthville yard. It had actually had to wait for M209 to make it past. This was the first place on that section of line where there was a double track situation for them to pass each other. This one's a daily manifest that goes north out of Nashville up to Cincinnati, Ohio. The rest of our trip, we really didn't see a whole lot of CSX action. The mainline subdivision is currently in a work curfew, so during the day, very, very little traffic. Really, only the priority intermodal / auto rack trains 141 and 142 are making trips during daylight hours. Everything else is being held either outside Radnor Yard or outside Osborne Yard to make its runs north or south through that work section. So not a lot of traffic, didn't get to see very much, but still pretty neat to see the 3 trains we got here from a new section of track for us, something that we had not previously rail fanned. Hope you guys enjoyed all these, and we'll be back soon with new videos for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.